In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old journal entries in QuickBooks Online if you need to locate past journal entries for review, corrections, or bookkeeping cleanup. QuickBooks Online gives you a few reliable ways to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you 3 practical methods, starting with the most complete option if you want a full list and flexible date filtering. The first method is to run the journal report. Begin by going to Reports from the left-hand menu. Once you're there, click into the search bar and type Journal, then select Journal from the results. This opens a report that can display journal-related activity across the time period you choose. At the top of the report, adjust the report period. You can use one of the preset date ranges or enter a custom start date and end date if you're looking for entries from a specific month, quarter, or year. If you want to narrow the results even further so you only see journal entries, click Customize in the top right corner, then open the Filter section and check Transaction Type, followed by Journal Entry. After that, click Run Report if needed. This is usually the best method when you want a comprehensive list and better control over the dates. The second method is to search by transaction type. From your QuickBooks dashboard, click the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass, in the top right corner. At the bottom of the pop-up menu, choose Advanced Transaction Search. In the Transaction Type drop-down, select Journal, then adjust the date filters as needed and click Search. This will show a list of individual line items and entries, which can be useful if you're trying to track down a specific transaction rather than reviewing a full report. The third method is to use the Recent History Clock from the Journal Entry form. Click the plus New button in the left navigation menu, then select Journal Entry under the appropriate section. Once the form opens, look for the clock icon in the upper left-hand corner of the form. This history or rewind icon gives you access to recent manual entries. To expand the list and look further back, click View More. This method is especially helpful when you want to quickly reopen journal entries you've worked on before. Those are the 3 main ways to find old journal entries in QuickBooks Online. If you want the broadest view, use the Journal Report. If you're hunting for a specific transaction, use Advanced Transaction Search. And if you want quick access to recent manual entries, the History Clock is the fastest route.